If anybody ever wondered truly what the spawn of Satan is, that's a fire ant mound. If you know, you know. If you don't want to know. Those things are terrible. Got to kill that. Well, today's a day I've been waiting for a long time. Kind of excited. Coming on here and let's take a look at the garden. Yeah, she's doing. Cucumber, one of the cucumber vines has almost reached the top of the trellis. Those guys are working their way over the top. Got some pickles going there. That guy is a day or two away from being picked. I've already canned a couple jars of pickles. The zucchini are just, I mean, look at that guy. He got to be picked today. They're just going crazy. It's doing pretty good. The squash over here has been doing really well too. I picked some the other day. And a few more starting down in there. It'll be fun. Look at these tomatoes though. The cherry tomatoes. I had some ripe ones off of these earlier. Those are just going off. The other tomatoes are going strong. Gonna have to put a new trellis clip on him and all these guys. Watermelons, beets. I think the beets are about ready. What I'm most excited about today, look at these onions. These things are huge. And you see how they're starting to lay over, starting to turn brown? That means they're done. They're telling you, pick me. Pick me. These are yellow onions here. Got some red onions here. I think these red onions, I think I planted them a few weeks later. I'm going to let them go a little bit longer, but I'm going to pick these yellow ones. It's going to be fun. I'm not sure. These are either banana peppers or cow horns. If they're banana peppers, they're ready to pick. If they're cow horns, I could let them turn red. I don't know. We'll see. Here's some white onions. These guys are still growing, so I'm not going to pick them. These yellow onions right here. Probably pick these guys that are really starting to lay over, but let those go. The peppers are doing real well. It's going to be fun. So today I'm probably going to pick some beets and pick some onions for sure. Let's do it. Dog's having fun. You came home for the weekend. Let's go do this, huh? The weather got so nice. Sun's out finally. It's been raining literally for the last 3 days. Oh my gosh, it's hot. You coming, Freak Show? I'm so excited to do this. You don't know I can't stand it. So see these, when they start to lay over like this and turn brown, what they're doing is they're telling you, I'm done. I'm done. Cut me off. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to wiggle him a little bit and pull him up, shake him off. Look at that onion, Leah. Look how big that guy is. So we're going to get these guys out. I'm going to get them drying. I'm going to pull them all out like this first. Then we'll come back and grab them because I'm going to show you how we have to dry them. So here's the thing about onions. Once they're done, they're done. They're not going to do anything else for you. And these yellow onions, for some, look how big these guys are. That's not even the biggest one. Oh my God. Really? This is the first year I've really been able to grow it. Which one? Yeah. And we'll have to see. This guy's pretty big. I think that's a double yoker. What, did you get some of the cow food or something? I did. Not some, a lot. Look at that guy. I can have onions for days. Which is the idea, right? and take some to Wyoming. Give them to our friends. No, just kidding. No, the onions, if you store them right, these things will keep for 6 to 8 months, even sometimes up to a year. Yeah. Now this guy's kind of little. No, I think, see, I planted these guys later than those guys. So these guys will probably go a little while longer. Sound good? Now let me show you how we're going to dry them out. Come this way. Okay, this is an old gate somebody gave your mama. We're going to use this to dry the onions. So follow me. Maybe on the trailer will be a good spot. Okay. All right, going to the sawmill, getting a piece of wood I just cut the other day. This used to be a tree. Oh, barely. So I'm thinking we put this guy right there. Grab this guy. And we can put him up here. Something like that. And I'll show you what we're going to do, because you got to dry these onions for a couple days, but they need to be out. You need to have some, feel the breeze going. You need to have some breeze going on them, or they'll spoil. So we dry them out a couple days, and then they're going to get a little bit dry and crunchy on the outside. That's, you know, when you go to the grocery store and you pick them up and they kind of got the crunchy peel on the outside, that's what we're looking for. And then once we do that, we can store them in the shed, and they should stay good for a long time. So let's go get them and bring them here. Oh, there's more over here that we need to pick. Okay, yeah, let's see them all laying over. You're saying, help me, I'm done. Yep. Yeah, let's get this guy that's underneath the pickle bush. This guy right here. Yeah, some of them are. Okay. That's why you got to dry them. So a lot of these smaller ones, I think I planted later, and it's good to know what time I need to plant them. Which optimum planting onions down here, mid-November. Remember that. All right. These things are huge. Catch. This has got to be my thumbnail. Huh? No, I'll show you. You go pick.
I already picked them. What about this one? That one counted laying down?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's tiny. I don't think that was ready.
Oh well. Well, I think that's garlic anyway.
Oh yeah, it is. Does that mean it was ready? Garlic.
No, you're okay. I think those in there. All right, let's go. Let's go stick them on the dry thing then.
Yeah, let's go dry.
Okay. You want to drive or am I driving?
I'll drive.
Squash, zucchini.
There's some that looks ready over there.
I've been picking those for the last 3-4 weeks already.
Got my onions.
Let's do it.
Take this speaker off my hand.
This
Patty
is
and Layla are following.
Those are Leah's dogs.
Are we going to dry some onions? Yeah. It was ready. I go. We have arrived at our destination.
Yay. Well, one can snip, one can place. And I'm going to snip these guys like that. I'm going to take him and put him right like that. Bloop. Look at that, huh?
Pretty cool.
All right. You want to snip or you want to place?
Sniff.
All right. And then cut these. There you go.
Oh, cool. You're cutting them off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
If he falls, no, don't. Okay, so you don't want him touching. Yep, like that. Is he going to fall through or he'll be okay? All right. Some good looking onions, huh? Here's your garlic. And last one, little guy. Little guy. Get off me. Okay. That's a nice onion haul, right? So I'm just going to let them dry for a couple days.
I want to take a picture of them.
Okay.
You taking a picture of them?
Mm-hmm.
I took a video of you.
Mm-hmm. Cool. Huh? Onion harvest done.
Oh.
This is the first time anybody's been on him?
Yep.
It's a good boy. That's a good boy.
This is crazy. He's doing so good.
It's Leah's horse, Wilson.
First person to ever be on him right here. Yep. My horse. I mean, I feel like he's calm as pie, don't you?
Yeah, he's going to be a good horse.
This is crazy.
You're going to have fun with him in the mountains. All right, just to put a wrap up on the onions. Got them out here drying. Some a lot bigger than the others. Obviously, there's some garlic in there too, but really, what a good haul. Pretty much all of them except white onions. There's some white onions out in the garden that are still growing, so we're gonna let them go as long as we can. Bag full of yellow onions. Those are already dried. Put away, they'll keep for a while. And we got the rest of these. Gonna be eating a lot of onions. Thanks for sticking around and watching. Till next time. Bye.